Control number 45527, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Shalome Alinea, 29 years old, single without kids. I have one brother and I am the eldest.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a nursing undergraduate in Manuel Isenberga University.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to have a better income and to support my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am, but I have experience in the Philippines.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person? What can you do for elderly?
Yes, I have taking vital signs and feeding them.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children? What can you do for babies?
Yes, I have taking bath and feeding them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking and tutoring.
Can you cook? What foreign dishes can cook?
Filipino foods and some Chinese food like chicken soup.
Describe yourself as a housemaid. What are characteristics that your employer will like you?
I am responsible and trustworthy.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
I will do my best to serve your family.